Hey, look, Parker and Joe B, it's a pteranodon.
Yeah! No, that's a pterodactyl.
No, I'm pretty sure it's a pteranodon.
No, I think that's a pterodactyl.
It might be windy today, but I know my pteranodon. You might be right. It might be a pteranodon. Look, that's why we've got to work on our dinosaur identification skills. We gotten pretty bad about it, you know?
Yeah.
Can't even identify a pteranodon or a pterodactyl, but...
You mean a pterodactyl?
Yeah, well, it could be, yeah. Hey, you know what? That's why we've come to Dinosaur World in Texas today!
Yeah!
I've got a little game I put together of dinosaur hide and seek, okay?
Yeah, dinosaur hide and seek.
Yeah, we get to identify the dinosaurs, and whoever wins gets the surprise in this dinosaur bag.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, you ready to go inside and give it a try?
Let's go!
Let's go! Okay, this is the starting location for our hide and seek game here at Dinosaur World in Texas, okay? All right, do you want to go first or you want me to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay, you go find a dinosaur to hide at, text me a photo, and I'll have 2 minutes to see if I can find you, okay?
Okay.
I'll count to 10 while you hide, okay? Okay, I won't look, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Dilophosaurus! Man, this will be perfect. I need a nice old selfie with that feisty Dilophosaurus.
9, 10. Okay, Park Ranger B, where are you? Come out, come out, come out, wherever you are. I think it's this way.
Come on, Dilophosaurus. Wait. Okay. Yeah, now I gotta hide somewhere.
Okay, Park Ranger LB, where are you? Come out, wherever you are.
Gotta text it to him. Okay.
Hey, it's a text message. Hey, I know that dinosaur. That's a Dilophosaurus.
Oh, man, he's never gonna find me here.
Which way the Dilophosaurus? I think it's that way.
Only 10 seconds left. He's never gonna make it.
Okay, LB, I know you're close. I can smell that Dilophosaurus. I think that's what I smell. Could be lunch.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ha ha ha! Take that! Ah!
Oh no, 2 minutes, 10 seconds.
Yep.
So I don't get a point. My turn now
Okay.
to hide, all right? It's okay, so you count to 10, all right?
1,
And then after I hide, you got 2 minutes to find me, okay? Okay, here we go.
2, 3.
Oh, look at these dinosaurs, man. This'll work, this'll work. Allosaurus, yes. I remember Allosaurus. Okay, this will be the perfect hiding place. Park Ranger LB will never figure out where I am.
8, 9, 10. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Where did he go? That way?
Okay, now let's just take a little selfie here. There we go. Okay, text that to Park Ranger LB. Start the timer.
Oh, okay. Let's see. He sent me a picture. I wonder what dinosaur that is. It's kind of green looking. Allosaurus, yeah. Okay, that way.
Oh, you only got 30 seconds.
Okay, any second now. I think it might be up that way. Let's go. Ha-ha! I found you, Park
found me,
Ranger!
man.
I knew you were by Allosaurus.
Yeah, okay, that's Allosaurus right there, okay. All right, you get a point that round. Now it's your turn to go hide, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so which way are you gonna go? Count to 10, go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, dinosaur, where are you? Carnotaurus, I found you. Ha ha ha. Perfect. I can take a selfie with the Carnotaurus.
5, 6.
Okay, seems good. Now where should I hide? Oh, send it.
Give me a clue here, man. I need some help. Ooh. Okay, yeah, here we go. And, okay, yeah, there we go. Hey, let's see, what dinosaur is that? Man, that's a tough dinosaur. I'm not sure I know which one it is. Hey, wait a minute. Look at those horns. That's a Carnotaurus right there, because it's got the horns. Yeah, like this one, right? Now, it's a Triceratops.
Where to hide? No, not over there. This way. I know. By this red and yellow and blue Parasaurolophus. Okay, let's hide right here.
It's not that way. I would have seen it. Must be this way. Okay. Okay, Pork Ranger OB. I'm coming to get you, man. Carnotaurus.
It's gonna be close.
All right, Carnotaurus, I know you're near. I can sense there's Carnotaurus vibes around here. So, Carnotaurus right there. I found the Carnotaurus. I got a minute and a half left. Okay, all I can do is find Pork Ranger OB. Okay, Pork Ranger OB, you're around here. Oh, hey, what's this right here? It's like a weird.
I gotcha.
Man. Okay.
Man.
I beat the 2 minutes, huh?
Yeah, a minute
okay.
45.
Score a point for me, okay?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go hide this time, okay?
Okay.
So you start counting to 10 there.
1.
Which way? This way.
2.
This is perfect. A Stygimoloch. He'll never guess this one.
6.
Okay, Stygimoloch, you ready for the old selfie here? Here we go. The old selfie mode. Yeah, oh, yeah, there we go, like that. Yeah.
9, 10. Okay, which way did it go? That way or that way? And that way.
There we go. Okay, let's send that to Pork Ranger LB. And, okay, now I just need a place to hide.
And when is that picture gonna come in? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's click on it.
Ought to make like a tree and get out of here.
What's that dinosaur? He didn't take a very good picture. I know, I'll zoom it in. Let me see. I know, a Stygimoloch. Where is that? That one or is that one? This way, yeah.
Here he comes.
Here it is. Okay, 1 Stygimoloch, 2 Stygimoloch, Park Ranger attached to a bush. Wait, Park Ranger Aaron, you didn't even try.
Ah, you didn't make it. 201.
What?
You didn't make it in time. So you won the first round. I won the second round. That means we have a tiebreaker round now, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Man, which one? T-Rex. Oh man, I might just be in luck. Let's get out the old selfie mobile. Let's take a nice old picture with T-Rex.
8, 9, 10. LB, come out, wherever you are. Here I come.
Let's send it. Now where to hide?
I'm gonna get you this time. I'm gonna find you in 2 minutes, okay? Right. Ooh, here we go. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see what that. Well, obviously that's a T-Rex.
Can't hide behind T-Rex.
Okay, where's T-Rex here at Dinosaur World? Wait a minute. T-Rex is right here, I think, right ahead of me. Come here, T-Rex.
How about by one of these eggs? Okay, hide by the eggs. Now where to hide? I know, in here. Whack-a-mole.
All right. It's T-Rex. I found T-Rex. All right. Now, I just gotta find Pork Ranger OB. Uh-oh. I only have 30 seconds left.
Doo-doo-doo. Whack-a-mole. Doo-doo.
Okay. Pork Ranger OB, where are you?
Check the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And he hit pretty good this time. Babies. Pork Ranger OB, you in here?
Ah!
Oh, Pork Ranger OB, man.
Ha ha ha! Minute 10, just out of time.
Oh, man. Let me have the stopwatch. You got one more chance to see if you can find me in less than 2 minutes. If you do, you win the whole game. You get the prize in the surprise bag, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, start counting to 10. Okay, here we go.
1.
All right, I need a dinosaur. Need a good dinosaur to hide near, huh? What's one that Pork Ranger B's never gonna guess? I gotta at least tie him in this game. Oh, yeah. A Dryptosaurus. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, take the old selfie here. Okay, let's send that to Park Ranger LB. Okay, I need a place to hide.
Okay. That looks exactly like a Dryptosaurus.
It's not very good, but it'll work better than the last one. Okay, here we go. Okay.
That's it right there. Man.
You still got a minute and a half, man. Why is he so fast?
Okay, looks like I found the Dryptosaurus. Now, where's Park Ranger Aaron? Hey,
on me.
Yeah.
Oh man, you had 30 whole seconds left too. Yes. So that means you win the whole challenge, Park Ranger B. Okay, you ready to go back to Dino HQ and see what's in the surprise bag?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. All right, you ready to see what's in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dig in.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, there you go.
Let it fall. Wow. It's an Airstorm fire truck rocket copter.
Yeah. I think this thing goes up and lights up or something like that. Wow. It goes up in the air. All right, you want to open it up and try it out?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go, dude. So I know it lights up, right?
Okay. So see that switch right there?
Hey,
Turn it up.
there we go. Now it's lit up.
Yeah.
You know what, though? I bet it works pretty good at night, but still kind of bright here in the summertime and all. So this is like your launcher right
so
there.
So you gotta hook it on like that.
It's like a slingshot then, huh?
And
fire!
Woohoo, man!
Wow, that was good.
was
Oh, I
fun.
can even see that thing light up. Here, let me see if I can outdo that, huh? Okay, oh, here we go. Hey, oh, man!
Wait, let's see if I won. Let's see if I won. I won, woohoo!
Wow, man, you won again. You always win, don't you?